In her book Psychosomatic, Elizabeth A. Wilson offers a compelling critique of feminist discourse on the body, arguing that despite considerable exploration of the materiality of the body in contemporary thought, there remains a significant gap in how comprehensively the question of the body is addressed. Wilson challenges the prevalent notion within feminist theory that biology merely serves as a passive foundation for psychic, cultural, or social phenomena. She contends that in attempting to distance themselves from biologically reductionist perspectives on sex, gender, and sexuality, feminists often overlook the intricate complexities of the body itself. Wilson suggests that the dismissal of biological mechanisms paradoxically reinforces a form of reductive Cartesian essentialism that feminists seek to avoid. To address this paradox, she proposes a shift towards acknowledging the biological intricacies of the body as essential to feminist theories. Embracing biological specificity, Wilson argues, would not only offer a counterpoint to the historical aversion to biology in feminism, but also open up new avenues for enriching feminist scholarship on the body. Central to Wilson's argument is the belief that incorporating insights from the neurosciences can significantly enhance feminist discourse. By embracing biological detail, feminists can both challenge the anti-biology rhetoric that has pervaded feminism since the 1960s, and forge innovative contributions to understanding the body within feminist scholarship. In Chapter 1, Wilson revisits Freud's early neurology work, arguing against the later separation of the psychic and somatic realms. She meticulously traces Freud's development of a schema when nerves, penis, cortex, and psyche operate in circuitous relations, rather than determinable ones. Contrary to some feminist interpretations, Wilson contends that Freud's original thesis isn't reductionist, but rather acknowledges the co-constitutive nature of psychic and somatic forces. Chapter 2 delves into gastrointestinal complaints, examining how both biological and psychoanalytic theories gradually disconnect soma from psyche. Wilson demonstrates how theories of the gut evolved to depict them as distinct entities, stifling exploration into their potential co-constitution of soma and psyche. In Chapter 3, Wilson offers a fresh perspective on Simon Levy's research on hypothalamus and sexual orientation. Rather than solely critiquing methodological limitations, she explores the interplay between dimorphic and disseminated theories of sexuality. Wilson argues that these neurological forms are intricately intertwined, with dimorphic divisions coexisting within networks of divergence, challenging conventional binary views. Chapter 4 revisits Freud's work on emotion, critiquing the oversimplification of animal biology compared to human biology. Wilson utilizes Freud's study of frog reflexes to challenge contemporary dismissals of Lamarckism. By analyzing Darwin's endorsement of Lamarck's theory and his work on reflexes, Wilson highlights the interconnectedness of biology and psychology in evolution, critiquing the disconnect in contemporary biological approaches. The final chapter explores how evolutionary and neurological perspectives on emotions can inform feminist concerns with embodiment, emphasizing the need to consider the intertwined nature of biology and psychology in understanding human experiences. The book stands as a remarkable exploration of the neurosciences, spanning historical insights to contemporary perspectives. Elizabeth A. Wilson begins by delving into Freud's examination of the biological underpinnings of neurasthenia, a theme later echoed in Peter Kramer's work on the biological effects of antidepressants, in Listening to Prozac, 1993. Wilson intricately argues that the nervous system transcends mere cognition, possessing an effective, libidinized, and articulate ontology. Expanding on this notion, Wilson elucidates the intricate connections between the digestive system, the brain, and mood. She advocates for a nuanced understanding of the microstructure of digestion and its correlation with psychology. By examining depression and its associated eating and digestive disturbances, Wilson compellingly illustrates how the biological aspects of mood are intertwined with the organization of the digestive tract. Wilson further explores this interplay of biology, affect, and behavior through Simon Levay's 1991 study on structural brain differences between homo and heterosexual individuals. While acknowledging the limitations of Levay's study, Wilson leverages its findings to propose a refined analysis of how neurophysiology contributes to ideological constructions of sex, gender, and sexuality. By showcasing the complexity of the hypothalamus's role in regulating various bodily processes and its connection to sexuality, Wilson challenges simplistic binary narratives. Her discussion of Darwin's theory of emotion underscores the interconnectedness between neural systems and psychological states. Wilson contends that despite criticisms of Darwin's Lamarckism, it offers valuable insights by establishing a causal link between emotions and the structure of the nervous system. According to Wilson, nervous system responses such as trembling, blushing, and eye blinking are evolved mechanisms of learned behavior, highlighting the intertwined nature of cognition, emotion, and the body in neurological events.